Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how you can send Discord channel message from Google Sheets. Over here, I am going to build a connection between Google Sheets and Discord in such a way that whenever I will add the new message details in my Google Sheets, automatically towards the Discord channel that I've created, a message is going to be forwarded. Yes, this can be done without need of any coding and programming skills using this amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn how you can build this connection for yourself, for that I will take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. So now what I will do is I will add a new message in my Google Sheets and then check whether automatically on my Discord channel I have received the message or not. Okay, so let me enter a new message right over here. You can see the messages: double XP weekend is coming, event XP blast weekend, duration, level up faster and climb the ranks. Bot username is new event. If I'm going to open my channel, you will find yes, I have received the message. It's the same message. Double XP weekend is coming. You can see the event name, duration, level up faster, and the bot name is new event. Okay. So as soon as I have added the message inside my Google Sheets, automatically on my Discord channel that message was forwarded. This is done by building this amazing automation without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. Simply open a new tab and browse www.pabbly.com/connect and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now before we create this amazing automation, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Now Pabbly Community is an exclusive space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here you can share your ideas, feedbacks and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay. So now on the Pabbly Connect's landing page, you will find two options. If you're an existing user, just like I am, directly sign in from here. But if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, directly sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. I will sign into my Pabbly Connect account from here. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. I want to use Pabbly Connect, so I will click on this Access Now button and you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now over here to create a new automation, we have to create a new workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. I will select the new beta method version from here. And firstly, we have to name our workflow. So for the name of my workflow, I'm going to give it as Send Discord Channel Message from Google Sheets. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select Workflows folder and click on this Create button. As soon as I've done that, automatically you can see the workflow has been created. Inside Pabbly Connect workflows, there are two major steps. One is trigger, other one is action. Trigger and action are the principles of Pabbly Connect's automation. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action applications inside a workflow. We are going to set up a trigger right over here and my trigger application is going to be what? Google Sheets. I want that as soon as a new message data is added in my Google Sheets, this trigger should capture the response of that. That is why for my trigger application, I've selected over here as Google Sheets and the event is going to be new or updated spreadsheet row. Then click on this Connect button. You can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL. Now using the unique webhook URL and by following the steps given here below in the help desk, we are going to create a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'll copy this URL from here and then open my spreadsheet. Now after opening the spreadsheet, from the panel I will go towards the extensions section I'll go to add-ons and get add-ons option. This window is going to appear in front of you. Over here on the search apps bar, we have to search for the application that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. You have to install this application in Google Sheets and activate it. As you're going to do that, using this app, we are going to create a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet from here. After refreshing, now what you need to do is you have to go back to extensions and you will see the option that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. From the drop down under it, go to initial setup option right here, and initial setup dialog box is then going to appear in front of you. Then you can see it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL, paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. Trigger column. The trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Inside the spreadsheet, my last data column is column B. I want that as soon as the new data is entered in this column, the entire row's data should be forwarded towards this URL. So my trigger column is going to be column B. Then click on the submit button and then it is going to say setup configured successfully. As now the setup has been done successfully, I am going to go back. The steps that I'm going to mention right now are super important, so please do not forget to follow them. Go back to extensions and Pabbly Connect Webhooks and select the option that is send on event. It is mandatory to click on send on event because as soon as you're going to enter the new data inside the spreadsheet is going to collect that new data and send it towards this webhook URL that is our Pabbly Connect workflow. This is how you build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. I'll refresh the spreadsheet. So this is how you build a connection, and if you want to check the send on event work has been activated, you will see a tick mark is in front of it. Okay. So now the connection is done, inside the workflow it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether the connection is successfully built or not, I will enter the new text message as well as the bot username right here and then check whether automatically this trigger captures the response or not. So let me enter the message in the bot name right here. And you can see I've entered the message Clan War Tournament Event Ultimate Clan Clash. Date is 5th of December 2025. Bring your best players. Glory awaits. And you can see the bot username is new event. Okay. So as I've added the data in my column A and column B, the message as well as the bot username, I'm going to open my workflow and scroll down and you will see the response has been captured. This is the same text message you can see right over here and the bot name is new event. Okay. So as now this response has been captured in my trigger, this means that Google Sheets has now been connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup has been done completely. As now our trigger setup is done, now let us send this message on our Discord channel. For that, simply add an action step in which for the action application, select over here as Discord. Event is going to be what? Send channel message markdown. You can also select HTML if you have entered the HTML message in this spreadsheet. Okay. I will select over here as markdown and click on this connect button. Now you need to provide the webhook URL right over here in order to build the connection between Discord and Pabbly Connect. To have the URL, go to this hyperlink in the help desk and you will come towards this Pabbly forum page. Now you have to follow the steps one by one on this forum page in order to have the webhook URL. Log into your Discord channel. I'll tell you all the steps. I'll click on this channel and go towards the server settings button right over here. Inside server settings under apps, go to integration section and then go towards the webhook section and create a new webhook right over here. Okay. Now over here you will find that it's saying copy URL. Just copy this webhook URL and paste over here in this field. So this is how you enter the webhook URL. Okay. Next, for the message, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Click on this field. The message is in our Google Sheet step, so select this previous step. Now this is the message I want to send, so select the data of the message from the previous response. As now this data has been selected from my previous response, you can see this data has been mapped. And as we have mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response of a message is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data right here. Okay. Next, it is asking for the bot name. So we are going to map the data of the bot name that we have received. There is no bot icon, so I'm going to skip the part, and text to speech is disabled for me. Then simply click on the save and send test request button right here. And you can see I've received over here a response with the HTTPS code as 204. That is a positive response. So if I'm going to open my Discord channel, you will see I've received the message. New event, Clan War Tournament event. You can see the date was 5th of December. Bring your players, best players, glory awaits. Okay. So you can see as I've received this message, this is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time now. Whenever the data of the new event has been added or a new message has been added over here in my Google spreadsheet, automatically through that data, a Discord message is going to be forwarded. Okay. So now as this connection is created, if you want to use this free template workflow link, you can find the shareable link in the description section and use it for your business. And if you have any other questions or doubts related to this workflow that I've created, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.